How's it going, YouTube? Today I'm going to be replacing my distributor with a CPS unit for a 7M GTE. I've been running this distributor for a while, and so far I haven't had any problems with it. But I figure I'll switch to a CPS. It's a nice unit, new parts, fully rebuilt. New connectors, new wiring, new sensors, so it should make a big difference when it replaces this old distributor. So first thing I'm going to do is disconnect the negative cable from my battery. Yeah, let me put this camera down while I disconnect this negative post. Okay, so I got the negative post disconnected. The next thing I'm gonna do is put the crank on top dead center, and to do that, according to the TSRM, you crank the crankshaft, you turn the crankshaft so that the cam lobes are facing straight up. Not sure if you can see it. Okay, and then you turn the crankshaft counterclockwise about 120 degrees, and then turn the crank clockwise about 10 to 40 degrees to top dead center. All right, so we're using a 19mm socket. I'm just gonna approximate this. That's about 120. Then turn it clockwise to top dead center. Get a light. Okay. Right there. Top dead center. Okay, the next step will be to disconnect the wiring to the distributor, and then taking off the hold down bolt, and then pull the distributor out. There you go. One thing I noticed right away is that the distributor has this long shaft at the end of the gear, while the CPS unit doesn't have it. Now, before inserting the CPS, what you need to do is to line up the groove that's on the CPS body with the drill hole that's on the shaft. And when you line it up, that's what it's going to look like on the pointer that goes on one of the VR sensors. Okay, so let's go ahead and insert this. Oh, by the way, let's put a little oil in it around the O-ring. There you go. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the hold down bolt. So there it is. I had to disconnect this CPS connector from its body here because my harness is redone so that it's coming from the opposite end. It's coming from underneath the AFM here instead of going over the heads. So I disconnected it and looped it back so that it connects over here to the harness connector, which is coming from underneath the AFM. So it started right up, and now I'm just going to go ahead and start timing and call it done. Alright, thanks for watching.